you know. Should I pose? I feel like I should have been posing. I should like start the video like, oh, hi there.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me.
Hi everybody, this is Grace from Her Desire Beauty, and I'd like to welcome you to our YouTube channel. Obviously this is our first video and this is a very big deal. We're extremely excited to be bringing you a whole new amount of content on a new channel, and we're so glad that you're watching. We do hope that you like, subscribe and comment down below, and stay tuned for lots more giveaways, more interesting content, and yeah, a lot of amazing things. So Her Desire Beauty is a Zambian-based beauty brand. We retail and wholesale wigs and other cosmetic goods. But our main sellers and our main focus is obviously hair and wigs. Today I'm going to be doing a very quick video giving you some information on all my faves, and I'm going to also give you information on the giveaway that we are currently running. So we got a few questions from some of our followers and some of our just really close friends in this business, and they wanted to know more about us. So the first question people asked was, how did we come up with the name Her Desire Beauty? Her Desire Beauty, we got the name from a Bible verse. We are Christians. We are very much devout to our faith, and so when we're coming up with the name of our business, we went to the Bible, of course, and we came up with the name Her Desire Beauty from a verse in, if I'm not mistaken, Psalms 37. And the verse says, delight yourself in the Lord and he will grant you the desires of your heart. And the reason we wanted to make Her Desire Beauty is we wanted an affordable hair care and beauty business based locally, because we struggled shipping and importing goods one by one for ourselves. So we thought, let's make it easy for everybody to get really good goods locally. You know, I love dramatic lashes. I love I love my lashes to, like, you know, like they really just, I don't know, lashes just really change an outfit, you know, like, sorry, not outfit, lashes really just change a makeup look. So you can be looking basic and then put on lashes and it's like, hey. And that's what I love about lashes. So that sometimes I mess up my eye looks, but I know that when I cover them with, when I put on my lashes, it's gonna cover up some of those blemishes, and I'm still gonna look bomb even though I made mistakes. So that's your first tip from Her Desire. It's the Oh So Heavenly range. So I am obsessed with Oh So Heavenly products. When I tell you guys, these are the holy grail for bath and body products. Like, oh my gosh, just smelling them right now, I'm in love. I love their products because they are extremely affordable. They smell amazing. I had a problem with the longevity of the body spritzers, like how long the smell would last on me. But once I paired the body spritzers with the shower gel and the lotion, like, I had no problem whatsoever. And also I sometimes mix them with other perfumes just to make those perfumes smell a bit more feminine and a bit more fruity. So they have so many products and all of them are amazing. I am literally not exaggerating. I am obsessed with the Oh So Heavenly range. I think everything they do is really just amazing. My first and favorite hair products. That one is a bit tricky, but I would definitely say my favorite hair product has to be Eco Styler Gel. And my first product for hair was a lace front wig. So I love lace wigs. I feel like they're very versatile. I feel like they're very good for keeping your natural hair and making your natural hair grow in a very healthy manner. I feel like they're so versatile and they're so helpful, and so definitely lace front wigs is number one. And the Eco Styler Gel, why I would say it is because it's very versatile, and many people don't realize this. You can use this to style your virgin hair, you can use it to style your natural hair. It has a long-lasting hold. If you use it wisely, and if you are very versatile with it, you will find that you don't even need a lot of product. Okay, so now the moment we've been waiting for, drum roll please, the giveaway. So the giveaway is going to be our favorite things. So all the beauty and hair products and all the other general products we have mentioned in this video are what we're going to be giving away. So we've mentioned lashes and also Heavenly products, Eco Styler Gel, lace front wigs, and these are what are going to be put into these giveaway packages. And we're not going to have one, we're going to have two winners. One winner is going to have to be based locally, so based within Zambia, and one winner can be international, so you can be anywhere in the world. So here's the thing, the little rules and the regulations. In order to be entered into this giveaway, you have to subscribe to all 3 of our social media. So you have to follow us on Facebook, you have to follow us on YouTube, and you have to follow us on Instagram. After you follow us on all 3, you can share any post by Her Desire, any video by Her Desire on your own page, and with a caption of why you love our brand. So why you love our pictures, our videos, our content, our products, whatever it is, as long as you explain why you like our brand. Once you tag us, we will see your post and we'll give you 1 entry into the giveaway. So the more entries you have, the higher you stand a chance of winning. So please, please, please do share more. I don't want anybody complaining that they didn't win when you didn't share enough. Please share any of our posts as much as you want. There is a giveaway post that you can share with your friends. Share it, like it, subscribe it, whatever you want, and you will stand a higher chance of winning. But remember, the most important thing is you have to be on all 3 of our social media. You have to like us on Facebook, you have to like us on Instagram, and you have to follow us on YouTube. This competition is going to run for 1 month only, so it's going to end in exactly 1 month from today. And the competition winners are going to be announced on Facebook, Instagram, and they are also going to be notified on Facebook and Instagram. We thank you so much for watching this video, and we hope you have an amazing day.